Eldoret, being in the Western Kenya region, which is the food basket of the country, we can begin intra-Africa trade with neighboring countries so that we can have flights from Eldoret and Kisumu to West Africa and to other regions of Africa to enable the African countries to trade with our people in matters relating to agricultural products and many others. Mr. Speaker, therein lies a great opportunity to actually open up the region from Western Kenya, in Western Kenya, to open up the trade opportunities, and with that, open up employment opportunities for our young people. Mr. Speaker, I therefore support and request that even as we spoke recently about industrializing this nation and getting the counties to come up with industries, particularly agricultural industries, that we will actually operationalize this airport.
Senator Shakil Habdara.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to support the statement by Honorable Miraj, Senator Miraj. Mr. Speaker, Mombasa is a tourist destination. And the reason why they moved the port of Mombasa to Naivasha, it is because they want to make Mombasa a tourist city. And a tourist city should be able to open its transport sectors in all sectors, either road or air or anything, or by sea, so that they open the opportunity for tourism. And the airport is one of the opportunity whereby tourists, they use so much to come to Mombasa, Mr. Speaker. It is unfortunate that after COVID, this opportunity was not opened. Actually, all the flights which are supposed to come to Mombasa, whereby Mombasa being a tourist destination, they are closed and causing a lot of inconvenience to the tourists, Mr. Speaker. We therefore urge the government or the ministry to look into this sector and make sure they open that airport, open all the other airlines to Mombasa, so that they do not cause inconvenience to the tourist who wants to come to Mombasa and Coast Region as a whole, Mr. Speaker. I thank you so much. I support.
Last but not the least, Senator Wambua Enoch.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Senators, you realize the interests are on my left-hand side. Don't ask me why I'm not giving the right-hand side. Senator Rito, I can assume that you are very low, below the, you are yet to get to you. The land has not captured you yet. Proceed, Senator.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'll only say two things about the statement by Senator Miraj. One, there is a growing trend, Mr. Speaker, which is alarming. And I wish that committee, actually I sit in that committee, and I can see my chair is there. A line must be drawn, Mr. Speaker, between what is good for Kenya Airways and what is good for this country. In the process of trying to protect Kenya Airways, there are a lot of things we are getting wrong as a country. We need to expand our economy. We need to grow our transport sector. But every time that there is an attempt in that direction, then the consideration of what impact that would have on Kenya Airways comes in the way of making that movement. Mr. Speaker, I say this because a similar statement, and this will be my last comment, a similar statement was brought to this House by former Governor of Makueni, Senator Mutula Kilonzo Jr. And that time the issue was the issue of frequencies for Emirates to fly into the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. The Speaker, the protectionist mentality that successive governments have in favor of Kenya Airways may actually collapse our transport sector, and especially air transportation. It's important that we open up our airspace. It's important that, Mr. Speaker, we open up our airports. Mombasa International Airport is a big international airport. Kisumu International Airport is a big international airport.